Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And earlier today, I made two videos. I made this one, how to round these corners without rounding these corners, and how to make this shape in another video. And then it's pretty cool what you can do. And I also made a video about the common shapes or basic shapes. And if you go to common shapes and you pick that one right there, and if you hold down the control button and make a perfect ellipse or circle, we'll make it 36 points. We'll go up to object, convert the outline to an object, or convert the outline to an object, left click, right click. What is so neat about this, we're saving some steps of making those rectangles and moving them over. So I'm going to control D and make a duplicate. I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. It rotates from the center because it's a perfect circle. Grab everything and weld it, and look, you've got that shape. Now, this is 28 inches, so we'll make our nudge factor 30. And we're going to do the same thing we did in the previous video. We're just going to smart fill these shapes in so we have those shapes. And then select everything with the pick tool. Left click, right click, grab the shape tool and select everything, and then hold down the shift and deselect these. Go up to Windows, Dockers, corners, and we'll go ahead and rotate them 1 inch because it's a little bit bigger. And then you have that shape. Fill that in with blue, and you've got whatever you needed to do. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.